And when it comes to fighting crime and responding to calls, our first responders often see people's worst days, and that's why police personnel are participating in a mental health training program.
They've partnered with Resilient Minds on the front lines to support officers and members of the department. Channel 8's Jessica Blum has more on that story for us. Jessica?
The department takes a holistic approach to the well-being of officers and staff, focusing on all physical, mental, and financial health. A grant they received this year made hosting instructors of the program possible, with more visits scheduled for the future. In the last few years, policy changes and national events have altered how many in law enforcement view their job. According to LPD, it has increased the stress of those working for the community, so the money from a grant went towards several programs, including Resilient Minds on the front lines, to support employees in their stress and trauma.
You hear it said very frequently that it's what they signed up for. And I do agree with that. However, there's really little that prepares you for what you see and experience as an officer. And so bringing this program in here is really to help support them work through the traumas that they see and how to process that and stay very grounded and positive.
So far, 60 people have completed the training over the last 3 months. The Resilient Minds training program includes understanding how the brain interprets activating events and their consequences, and understanding triggers that interfere with performance in relationships.
Law enforcement is faced with 3 to 5 traumatic events per month. So take that and multiply that times 12 times 25 years. There's a lot of trauma going on. And then we expect them to be able to just snap back from that and deal with everyday life. It's not that easy. And so we need to support our law enforcement. We need to give them the tools to be able to navigate through this thing we all call life and be able to spiral up rather than spiral down.
The program has made lasting impressions on some within the force. One captain was inspired to join Resilient Minds after she retires from the force in 2 weeks.
It's something that I really wish that I would have had early on in my career, just because I think that it's going to do our officers a lot of good and be a lot of benefits for them. It's my hope that I will eventually be a trainer for them and help spread the word and kind of stay connected with law enforcement and continue to spread Resilient Minds. Yep.
Those in the department say this has made many want to pay it forward by supporting fellow officers and coworkers in the future. And currently, there's a wait list for those waiting to participate in the program. 2 sessions are scheduled for October and November, where another 40 staff members will get the chance to be a part of it. LPD says they will continue the program until all who want to participate can participate.
Yeah, something wonderful for the department there. Thank you, Jessica, for the story.